Are you ready to start your affiliate marketing journey with a positive mindset? Great! In this video, we'll share some tips to help you kickstart your journey on the right foot. First and foremost, it's important to have a positive attitude about the possibilities that affiliate marketing can offer. Believe in yourself and your ability to succeed in this industry. Next, do your research and find the right affiliate programs that align with your interests and values. Choose products or services that you genuinely believe in and are passionate about promoting. Set clear and achievable goals for yourself. Whether it's to earn a certain amount of income each month or to grow your audience, having concrete goals will keep you motivated and focused. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who can support and inspire you on your journey. Join affiliate marketing communities, attend events, and connect with other marketers for advice and guidance. Finally, focus on creating high-quality content that adds value to your audience. Whether it's through blog posts, social media posts, or videos, make sure your content is informative, entertaining, and relevant to your niche. With the right mindset and approach, you can achieve great success in the world of affiliate marketing. So, get started today and watch your journey unfold with positivity and determination. No matter which route you take, my free course on how to build residual automated income can provide you with in-depth strategies. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. Good luck!